Hello and welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you a scarf, a very easy scarf, one row repeat for those of you that are beginners. This scarf tutorial from the beginning until the end, it's on my other YouTube channel that I have. Also it's only crochet, new stitches, different stitches that Nati Crochet has. So if you like, you can go and subscribe to Scorpio Rising. The way you're gonna find the Scorpio Rising channel, if you type on the search engine on YouTube, for example, Scorpio Rising Crochet, and the channel will be there. But I will put the link with this tutorial, with this scarf. I will put it underneath this video, in the description box, so you can click on that, subscribe if you like, for different stitches that Nati Crochet has. Or for this tutorial. This stitch is reversible. Yeah, it's quite thick, the scarf. So if you like to try this, especially you guys, the beginners, this is really nice. If you like, you can attach tassels, or you just leave it the way it is. So these are the sides of the scarf. It's quite straight and nice. You can make with this stitch blankets, hats, many things. But just being a one row repeat, it's very easy for you guys, the beginners, or even for those of you that you just want to work with something easy, yeah, and you don't need to concentrate so much. Well, like I said, the stitch is reversible. It's really nice to work with different colors, changing colors, or variegated yarn. It's really nice. Yeah. So if you like, you can go on my other channel and see the scarf, the tutorial that I just did, in which I will show you, for those of you that are beginners, how to close the scarf and hide the tail and all that. Yeah, for those of you that you don't know. Many of you, you know how to do, but beginners don't, so it's very easy to follow the tutorial. Yeah. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and give it a try to this stitch. You might really enjoy this. Bye bye.